welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing another alternate card to the January 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Kisses and Hugs. I am using the Tasteful Textile 3D embossing folder on a piece of Very Vanilla in 5 1/4 by 4, and it's going to go onto a Blushing Bride card base. I've also used the little heart dies from the Floral Heart bundle, or dies that go with the Always in My Heart set. So I'll just put those off to the side. I've also used 3 sizes of the stitched triangle dies and 2 sizes of the stitched rectangle dies. So let's go ahead and get this built. I'm going to adhere the piece of Very Vanilla that I've already run through the Tasteful Textile embossing folder and pop that down like that. And what I want to do is I want to place these triangles that I've cut out of the cards in the kit. I'm just going to place these like this, just to make sure I've got them where I want them. And I'm going to dimensionalize the XOXO that I cut out of one of the cards onto the XOXO I cut out of another of the cards. So all of these pieces, except the mat and the background, or in the card base, have come out of the kit for this. So I'm just going to line this up and adhere it down. So the reason I dimensionalized this piece is I wanted to stand away from the X's and O's in the background just a little bit. These ones I'm going to flat mount onto the card. So just going to place this down like that, just leaving a bit of a margin. And I did my best to line these up so they were relatively straight. So that, here we go, so that I can place them down and there's still a little bit of a sense of order to these. If you wanted to do them at different angles, I could put, instead of putting this straight, I could put it like that and then I'd have a different angle to it. But I would like it to be like this. So we are going to continue to build this card out, placing this at the top like that. There we go. And I am going to flat mount the X's and O's on the front. And then I'm going to use the hearts that I cut out of gold paper. Just going to make sure this is even and lined up. It is. These I cut out of gold foil paper and I cut them out with adhesive backing. I did the adhesive sheets so that I can just stick these down because I wanted this to almost look like confetti. This is very structured here with the triangle shapes and the straight lines and all of that. So I wanted this to be just a little bit more fun, kind of down the side. You can put as many of these on as you want. Just peel the backing off because you've made your own stickers with the adhesive sheets. And when these die cut, they kind of die cut with a little bit of depth to them. They've definitely got a bit of a raised piece in the center. So that kind of gives them that level of depth to them as well. So I am just going to keep putting these down. If you have any other shape that you want to use, you can use, if you've got stars or if you've got a little punch, there's a retired heart punch that you could use as well. I'm just going to keep layering these on. I cut lots of them because I wasn't sure how many I needed. And you can always put them down before you take the backing off just to see how they look on here. So do I want to put some on the triangle backgrounds? I think that actually looks kind of good. Kind of finishes off the border around. So I'm going to keep adding these in and then the card will be finished. So it's another option, another alternate kind of outside the box card. And this one is being difficult with the backing. So we'll just pick up another one and hope for the best on the other one. There we go. So just randomly popping the backing off these and popping them down. I like the lightheartedness of this one. This one came out exactly how I was thinking of it, so I'm quite pleased about that. And we'll just peel the backing off that one, pop it down, and have I got them? I've got them all. So there we go, an alternate card using the Stamp and Cut and Emboss Tasteful Textile 3D embossing folder, and the heart die from the floral dies in their floral heart dies in the Always in My Heart bundle, along with the stitched triangles and a couple of stitched rectangles. Thanks so much for watching, and I have one more outside the box card to present after this one. So stay tuned for that one. Thank you.